Hello friends, welcome to Sana's kitchen. Today in Sana's kitchen we are going to make potato rice. Now let's see how to make it. Heat a pan, add 2 tablespoon oil. Once oil is heated, add half teaspoon mustard seeds. Once mustard seeds crackles, add half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon fennel seeds. Saute until it turns slightly golden and aromatic. Then add 1 dry red chilli. Once it turns aromatic, then add 1 teaspoon finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon finely chopped ginger. Saute it for a minute until it turns slightly golden. Then add few curry leaves. Saute until curry leaves turns crispy. Add 1 onion finely chopped. Saute until onion turns translucent. Onion has turned translucent. Add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Saute until raw smell goes completely from the masalas. You can add salt at this stage, but I'll add later. Now add 2 potatoes cut into cubes. Saute until masalas gets well coated with the potatoes. Then add 2 tablespoon water. Don't add more water. Give it a mix. Cover and cook for 10 minutes in a low flame. In between, saute the potatoes so that potato won't get burnt. Cook until it turns nice and soft. Potatoes has cooked well and has turned soft. Now add in cooked basmati rice. Here I have taken 2 cups of cooked basmati rice. You can add normal cooked rice also. Finally add some salt to taste. Now mix until rice gets well combined with the potatoes and masalas. Finally add 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Give it a good mix and turn off the flame. Potato rice is ready. Do give this recipe a try. If you like the recipe, click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel Sana's Kitchen. Thank you.